we're searching for some really talented people to join our other really talented people to do some amazing work in the AEC industry. But why should you join us?
We're a global company in the AEC sector and we're market leaders at what we do.
Because we're leading the way in innovation.
Because you want to work with cool people.
We are global and we drive the best in-class technology solution.
You can work hard and play harder.
VinZero is a great company to work for, lots of opportunity and some really great people.
Because there's plenty of room for growth and it is an ever-growing industry.
To be part of a company that's a leader in its field.
Come along the VinZero journey of net zero.
Because this is an exciting, secure environment.
Because we're young and fun and lots going on. Yeah!
Because of the free coffee and good chats.
Because we're going to be the innovators in the digital construction space.
We're going to be the market leader.
And able to be have fun at work and what you do.
So opportunities, fun, fast-paced environment.
We have a great culture and there is a massive opportunity for career growth. Join us now.
So those reasons seem pretty enticing so far, but what else?
You want to be part of a fun team.
You get to work with me.
Well, that's convincing. Contact us for available opportunities. And let's start a conversation. You know you want to.
We're leading, God damn it.
I'll do however many takes you want me to do.
Yeah.
Okay.